Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to add the students graphic to our lower third here. So let's go over to students and drag this onto the timeline. Click and hold shift and bring her down. And then we're going to split this right here. And actually, I'm going to have it appear right there. So let's go edit and let's split the layer. I'm going to delete that one and let's play it.
This is great for students starting out or for video editors that need a refresher course on Adobe Premiere Pro 2021.
Okay, so we'll cut it there. And I like to cut it a little bit before. So right here is good. We'll delete that, not the video. We'll just delete the students. Okay, and then delete that. And then also I want to move this down just a little bit. Okay, so it's kind of more centered. Okay, so let's try it one more time and then we're good to go on that.
Pro 2021. This is great for video editors that need a refresher course on Adobe Premiere Pro 2021.
Beautiful. All right, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.